Good morning, friends. It's the 7th of May. I'm here in Siberia, Russia, where the snow is falling, calling. The snow is here. The snow is here. Now it's the 7th of May, and the rooster crows, the cow moos, and the children grow. Because the 7th of May is here to stay, and this is where we will become. Now if I walk any further with my camera exposed, it will become like it's never known. So I will come under this little thing here and find warmth from the air and the cold out there. It's the 7th of May, and I would say that today is a... Oh God, I just got the scare. I got the pee scared out of me by the littlest dog in the world. So that over there is a doghouse. It's the 7th of May, and I will catch in my mouth a falling drop of snow. A falling drop. I'm gonna do it. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard. With that dog wanting to break free from its chain. Can you see? Can you see the snow? Is it too white? Is it too... Got one. So, we're getting ready to leave here. We're out here in the wilderness of Shamanka. We're going to go to Lake Baikal today. I'm sure it's going to be warm there. But we're so excited about the snow we were having, so I wanted to share it with you, our visitors.
A falling drop of snow. A falling... Got one.